Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I am from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI authorised retail store. Well, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro has just landed in Australia, and with it, its brand new innovative triple camera design. So let's dive right in and see if this is the drone for you. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is available with this controller, which you can get either in a standalone drone or in a Fly More combo, or you can get it with the RC Pro controller, and you can also get it in the Cine Premium combo as well, which is the one that's targeted at professionals. Today, we'll be unboxing the Mavic 3 Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC Pro. So let's dive right in and see what we get. So straight away we get the new design shoulder bag. Quite nice. Obviously we have the drone itself just here. We've got some spare propellers just here. Here is our RC Pro controller. And of course, in the Fly More combo, you have the 100-watt multi-charging hub, which will fit up to 3 batteries, and you get 2 additional batteries along with the one that comes in the drone itself. Also got our different charging cables, always important to hang on to those, and your instructions can be found just inside the top zip just there. That's everything that we get in the bag, and then if we open up this one, we can obviously find our ND filter set, which is fantastic. And of course, this is our adapter that goes into the hub or directly into the drone for wall charging. That's everything we get. To those of you who are getting deja vu when you see this drone saying, that looks incredibly similar to the original Mavic 3, that's because the body has not changed. The Mavic 3 and the Mavic 3 Pro both share exactly the same batteries, propellers, that includes storage solutions, chargers, everything in terms of the body of the drone is the same. The big difference, of course, is when we get to the triple camera just here. Just like all of the other DJI Mavic 3 models, the Mavic 3 Pro features the Micro Four Thirds Hasselblad L2D 20C camera, the holy grail of drone cameras. This primary sensor delivers 5.1K video at up to 50 FPS, or you can drop it down to 4K and do 120 FPS if you prefer shooting in higher frame rates. This camera also produces stunning 20 megapixel still images with true to life colors. The widest of the Mavic 3 Pro's 3 cameras, this camera sports a 24mm lens and fully adjustable aperture between f2.8 and f11. Now we'll move on to the second camera, the 70mm medium telecamera, which is the new kid on the block. This medium telecamera comes with a 1/1.3 inch sensor, which is the same as the Mini 3 Pro. This camera delivers 4K at 60 FPS video, and the Mavic 3 Pro's highest megapixel count at 48 megapixel stills. The 70mm/f2.8 lens effectively produces 3 times zoom compared to the Hasselblad camera. The third and final camera has a 1/2 inch CMOS sensor with a 166mm telephoto lens. This delivers a whopping 7 times zoom compared to the default Hasselblad camera. On the surface, you may think this is the same telephoto camera as the one featured in the original Mavic 3, but in fact there are some key improvements. The telephoto camera features an improved aperture of f3.4 and now supports recording at 4K 60 frames a second. The Mavic 3 Pro also comes in the Cine Premium combo for those professional users out there. The Cine Premium combo comes with the DJI RC Pro as standard and also features a 1TB SSD, which mounts straight into the drone, which is far easier to use than SD cards and allowing a higher bitrate of recording. The Cine version also features Apple ProRes on all 3 versions of the camera, making your post-production workflow much easier for those data-rich files. The Mavic 3 Pro, similar to the Mavic 3, has the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which is here, these 2 here, as well as of course your landing sensor below. That's an incredibly safe system that is constantly mapping its environment, trying to avoid obstacles, making it really safe and really easy to fly. The Mavic 3 Pro, similar to the Mavic 3, can fly for up to 43 minutes, and using the OcuSync 3 Plus system has a maximum transmission distance of 15 kilometers. The Mavic 3 Pro has a wind resistance rating of level 6, which is up to about 50 kilometers an hour. That means up to 50 Ks can be pushing up against this drone, and it can autonomously fight that much wind to self-hover in that position. In terms of intelligent flight features, the Mavic 3 Pro supports waypoints, cruise control, and advanced return home, essentially allowing the drone to fly itself, letting you focus on the framing. Just like you've come to expect from the other DJI drone releases, the Mavic 3 Pro is loaded with those tracking features like focus track, point of interest track, spotlight, and active track. You can also take the guesswork out of shooting by using pre-written flight patterns like master shots and quick shots, or you can capture awesome stills with things like panorama. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this first look at the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. We have these in stock at all of our stores around Australia, or you can head online to d1store.com.au and order one of these bad boys right away. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.